Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss a very interesting topic, nature of roots of quadratic equation. So let us discuss this topic, nature of roots. As we know, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is standard form of quadratic equation. And values of x are known as roots of the quadratic equation. We know roots or solutions of the quadratic equations. So here we will discuss how to decide nature of roots. So nature of roots will be decided with the help of the formula which is known as quadratic formula. This is x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac upon 2a. As we know, a quadratic equation is having maximum two roots. One root we get when we use this plus sign, and another root when we use this negative sign. Correct? Okay. Now you see this expression b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant of the quadratic equation. b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant of the quadratic equation. Okay, and value of this discriminant decides the nature of the roots. So there will be three different cases. First case, when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Second case, when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. And third case, when b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Correct? So when we get b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots will be real and distinct, different. Okay, so or unequal you can say. So then roots are real and distinct. Distinct means unequal. When b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Why roots are real and equal? Because if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then this part becomes 0. So minus b plus 0 or minus b minus 0 will be same. So in this case, there will be minus b by 2a. These equal roots are minus b by 2a, because as we discussed, this part is 0. When b square minus 4ac, this discriminant is 0, then both the real and equal roots will be minus b upon 2a. This is very interesting to understand it. And third case, when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, so the negative value is here. Radical or square root of negative value is not a real number, that is imaginary number. In that case, there will be no real root. Correct? So these are three different criterias on the basis of which we can decide whether given quadratic equation is having real and distinct roots, roots are real and equal, and in this case no real root. Correct? So this is the expression b square minus 4ac, which is known as discriminant, is the deciding factor about the nature of roots. Now we'll make it more clear with the help of some examples, some questions. We will solve these questions one by one. So let us see these questions. These are the questions. By solving these questions, we'll be able to understand more clearly how we can decide nature of roots. So as we have discussed, the nature of roots depends on the value of b square minus 4ac. So first of all, we will get this value b square minus 4ac. As you know, b square minus 4ac is known as discriminant of the quadratic equation, and quadratic equation in standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is the process to get this discriminant b square minus 4ac? We will compare the given equation with the standard form of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First of all, find out a, b and c. So by comparison, here we are getting a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. Correct? Then we will try to get the value b square minus 4ac. So b square means minus 3 square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 5. So this is equal to 9 minus 4 into 2 into 5. Okay, 4ac. So 9 minus 40, this is equal to minus of 31. So as we have discussed, when b square minus 4ac is less than 0, there will be no real root. Correct? So root cannot be found out in this case because value of this discriminant is negative. Correct? So I hope this is clear to you. Now we'll discuss next question. Here next question, second question is 3x square minus 4 root 3 x plus 4 is equal to 0. Correct? So here b square minus 4ac will be, so comparing with the quadratic equation standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we are getting a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 4. So b square means minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into a is 3 and c is 4. Correct? So evaluate it. This whole square is 48 minus 48 is equal to 0. So as we have discussed, if value of the discriminant b square minus 4ac is 0, then roots will be real and equal. Why equal? Because in this quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. If this part becomes 0, so minus b plus 0 or minus b minus 0 will remain same. That's why the nature of the roots will be real and equal. Therefore, roots are real and equal. Correct? In the next video, we will see how to find these roots with the help of this quadratic formula. In this question, we are discussing only about nature of roots. Correct? Now, let us see this third question. And here this third question is 2x square minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So now you have understood what is the method, what is the process to find the nature of roots. First of all, we comparing with the quadratic standard form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 6 and c is equal to 3. Now you will evaluate the value of this discriminant b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 6 whole square minus 4 into a is 2 and c is 3. So this is equal to 36 minus 24. This is equal to 12. You see here b square minus 4ac 12 is a positive number. This is greater than 0. So we have already discussed the condition that when discriminant is greater than 0, roots are real and distinct, means unequal. So in this way we can decide about the nature of roots. Correct? So these questions are very basic questions, very simple questions. So in the next video we'll see how to evaluate and how to decide nature of roots. So students, thank you very much for watching this video.